Welcome to our new video. We're so glad you're here, and we hope you'll learn something valuable today to help you take control of your finances. We will talk about Alex's journey to a debt-free life. Alex, a 29-year-old teacher, had one big dream: to live a debt-free life. But the reality was much different. Alex was drowning in debt: $15,000 in student loans, a $3,000 credit card balance, and a $10,000 car loan. Every month felt like an uphill battle just to keep up with payments. There was barely anything left for enjoying life. One evening, Alex sat at the kitchen table surrounded by bills and a calculator. With a deep sigh, Alex thought, "How did I get here? How will I ever get out?" That night, Alex was scrolling through social media and stumbled upon a post from an old college friend, Sarah. In the photo, Sarah was holding a sign that said, "Debt-free," and her smile said it all. Curious, Alex sent Sarah a message. "How did you do it?" Sarah replied quickly, "It wasn't easy, but I used the Snowball Method. It made all the difference." Alex was intrigued and asked Sarah to explain. Sarah described the Snowball Method in simple steps. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Don't worry about the interest rates, just focus on the total balance. Pay the minimum on all debts except the smallest one. Throw every extra dollar you have at the smallest debt until it's gone. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll that payment into the next debt. Keep going until you're debt-free. Sarah added, "It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up speed. Each debt you pay off gives you more momentum." The next morning, Alex decided to give it a try. Grabbing a notebook, Alex wrote down every debt. Credit card, $3,000. Car loan, $10,000. Student loans, $15,000. The plan was simple. Focus on the credit card first. To make it work, Alex cut out extra expenses like dining out and unused subscriptions. This freed up $200 a month to add to the credit card payment. The sacrifices weren't easy, but seeing the balance shrink month by month was worth it. After just 5 months, the credit card was completely paid off. With the credit card debt gone, Alex took that $200 and rolled it into the car loan payment. Slowly but surely, the car loan balance started to shrink. Each month, Alex felt more in control and less stressed. When it was finally time to tackle the student loans, Alex had so much momentum that paying them off felt easier than expected. By rolling payments forward, Alex was able to pay off the student loans faster than planned. 2 years later, Alex celebrated being completely debt-free. No more stress, no more juggling payments. It felt like a huge weight had been lifted. Looking back, Alex shared this advice. Start small, focus on one debt at a time. Celebrate every win. Paying off even a small debt is a big step. Stay consistent, keep rolling payments into the next debt until everything is paid off. As Alex said, it's not about speed, it's about staying focused and sticking to the plan. Little by little, you'll get there. Alex's story proves that paying off debt is not impossible. With determination, focus, and a simple method like the Snowball Method, anyone can take control of their finances. So what's your first step toward being debt-free? Download our simple guide, Bello, to Managing Your Money, a free, detailed PDF that shows you step-by-step how to use the debt-free rule in your life. It includes templates, examples, and tips to help you track your spending and feel confident about your money. Click the link in the description to download your free guide. It's packed with everything you need to start your debt-free journey today. If you enjoyed this video and our free resources, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. Your support helps us make more content like this, and we really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip to simplify your finances. You've got this. See you in the next video.